Hello, good afternoon to you all. Today I received a message asking me like in the comment section that how we can customize Google form. See here, this is the Google form I have created and I kept a header image, and you can change the font of the Google form, and you can also keep background color instead of white. The default is white. You can also customize the color. I'll show you a short one. Okay, for example, if this is your Google form you're creating, docs.google form, and when you're trying to edit this form or create new questions, at top there is an option called customize theme. So you need to tap on this and see here, you can change the font here. You can change the font size of the question. For example, I'll keep 18 so that now any question. See here. The font size is now updated to 18. See here, and question font also I can change it to something. See what is the capital of India. See here. So, and coming to the header image, you can scroll to the bottom and see here. There will be a header section, and you can choose the image, and you can upload an image of your choice from your computer, or you can pick from the predefined available headers. So I'm just uploading a picture from my computer. This will be cropped and this will be my header image. I'll show you it gets applied here. I'll just close this theme. I'll go to the top of the page. See here, or you can just pick one from the available header section. Themes, you can click on insert, and that's it. It gets inserted as the header image of your Google form. And coming to the background, in the color section you can add one color. Okay, click on add, and if you click on this, it gets brighter version. So this is how you can change the background also. So this is how you can customize a Google form. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.